This is a demonstration of a perm wind.
My name is Tracy Miller and I'd like to welcome you to Orgella Hair and Beauty.
Today I'm going to show you a quick perm wind to give you maximum volume.
I'm using Orgella Pre-Perm Treatment, which is the protein, and I'm going to be winding in a directional movement. This will give my client extra root lift on the top. Any questions, just pop in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this.
Don't care, and I don't care. I don't. It's you and me, ay, it's what you need, ay. I got it now. I gotta know right now. You're not the one when it's said and done. It's okay, baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now, let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me go. While you make my heart beat faster when we get close. Just take my hand, baby, let's lose control. Even if it's a disaster.
Remove each perm rod gently so not to stretch the curl. I've removed all of the perm rods. Reapply the neutraliser to the ends. After 5 minutes, rinse thoroughly and apply the argan conditioner. I reapplied a small amount of protein and miracle treatment throughout the hair. As you can see, we have a nice bouncy curl. Applying the miracle treatment just helps to even out the porosity and keeps that nice bouncy effect. About my perming techniques, or if you would like to learn perming techniques, just drop a comment in the comment box below. Further products, visit them on my website or in the bio. Thank you for taking time to watch this short video. Hope you've enjoyed my perming techniques.